Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the keyboard for the MSI MS15KL laptop. Let's dive into the necessary steps and tools required for this task. First, gather the essential tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to work in a clean environment to avoid losing any small components. Begin by shutting down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. For safety, remove the battery if your model allows. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the clips that hold the panel in place. As you lift the panel, take note of any cables or connectors that may be attached. After removing the bottom panel, locate the keyboard connector. This is typically found near the top of the laptop's motherboard. Use the tweezers to carefully disconnect the keyboard cable. Make sure to handle this connector gently to avoid any damage. Now, lift the keyboard from its position. You may find additional screws securing the keyboard. If so, remove these screws as well. Once free, you can proceed to clean the area beneath the keyboard. This is an excellent opportunity to remove dust and debris using a soft brush or compressed air. If you're unsure about any step or if you don't have the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also take advantage of our pickup and delivery at your home service. This means no calls and no travel on your part, making it more convenient for you. Once the area is clean, place the new keyboard into position. Make sure it is aligned correctly with the connectors. Reconnect the keyboard cable securely, ensuring it clicks into place. Now, replace any screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard. After this, reattach the bottom panel by aligning it carefully and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Remember to replace all the screws you originally took out to ensure everything is secure. Finally, if you want to avoid the hassle of doing this yourself, we can provide you with a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and service. Once everything is back in place, reinsert the battery if you removed it and power on your laptop. Test the keyboard to ensure all keys function properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.